Okay, so we're trying to find a constant from a table. Now, here we just have a basic function table, x and y, nothing too fancy, no story to read. And we're trying to find the constant, and that is the number that occurs in each relationship, happens over and over and over. And there's a very simple way to record this, or to find this, and we're going to use the formula k equals y over x. Now k, of course, is the letter we use for the word constant, and we're always going to be dividing the output over the input. Simple as that. No matter which side's bigger, which side's smaller, it's always y over x. So we jump in here and some pretty simple calculations. 6 over 2 is 3, 9 over 3 is 3, 12 over 4, 3, and 18 over 6 is also 3. So what we have right here is the same number occurring in every single relationship, and that is what we call the constant. So here k equals 3, and that means that this relationship is a proportion. Now, if we take a look at another example, again, nothing too fancy here. We're going to use the exact same formula, k equals y over x, and we're going to jump in here and do the same thing. 12 over 6 simplifies to 2. 14 over 7 simplifies to 2. And we find that 18 over 8 actually does not equal 2. Okay, it's actually 2 2/8, which of course simplifies to 2 1/4. You could also do 2.25 if you're so inclined. Now, once we get a different answer right here, we can actually stop. Once these are no longer exactly the same, then our work here is done. It doesn't matter if this one works or not. Okay? We're looking for a constant, and a constant has to be the same all the way through. And if there's even one little blip of something that's not the same, we're finished. So in this case, there is no constant, and therefore, it is not proportional. Okay, and that's it. So one skill, 2 examples. If the number is the same all the way through, it is a proportion. If it is not the same all the way through, it is not. Okay, piece of cake.